In this video, I'll show you how to use text-to-speech feature on Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So to get started, go ahead and open your Instagram account. Click on the plus button at the bottom middle of your screen. Now in here, go ahead and head over into the Reels section. Record a Reel or go ahead and upload a video to use as a Reel. Click on the next button and in here, go ahead and click on that text button at the bottom left of your screen. So go ahead and type out the text that you want to convert into speech into this section. So you can enter any text that you like to convert into speech. Now once you're done with this, click on the done button at the top right of your screen. Long press your text and click on text to speech. Now this will pop up on your screen. So in here you can simply select the emotion of your text. That will be the basis of how the text should be spoken to by this text-to-speech AI. So simply select the emotion of your text and click on the done button at the bottom of your screen once you're done selecting the emotion. And that's it. That is how you can simply use text-to-speech feature on Instagram Reels. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.